Hello again. I'm back. I just want to say one thing with this video is that it's been brought to my attention that I don't know what irony is, or maybe I just can't claim that something is ironic after a certain point. I just want to set the record straight that my love for Supreme, or my interest in Supreme, is very much ironic. I'm not sure if I'm proving it correctly after I got this microphone here. It makes me sound like Ariana Grande, so I think the justified purchase decision has been justified, but I'm going to prove it to you that this is still ironic. 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 Hello? This is still ironic. This is still ironic. This is still ironic. This is still ironic. I can never sell any of the stuff I just wore, but I mean, it's not like I was gonna. I mean, the mask maybe, but that kind of gives me some real Scorpion, Mortal Kombat vibes. Yeah, this interest in Supreme is still ironic, and you can't tell me otherwise. Goodbye.